Thank you.
Thank you.
Oops. So this is the Hotel du Vin in Bristol. As the lady said in reception, the rooms don't have numbers. We're in the Taylor's Port room on the first floor. So as we come in, we've got the large bathroom on the left hand side, which we'll take a look at in a moment. So here's the Taylor's Port room. Large bed there. Absolutely beautiful room. Very old building, as you could see by the walls. So at the side of the bed you've got your bedside tables with some water. There is plugs down the bottom there, so there is plugs but no USBs. Large storage cupboards, tea coffee making facilities, and the hotel safe and mini fridge. And there you've got some more storage with your iron and iron board. So the room is absolutely spotless, it's carpeted throughout. Large radiator there. And there's your hotel telephone, and there's no plugs at this side of the bed, so it's only on one side of the bed. Small desk. So at the end of the bed you do have a bit of a seat there to relax on. The seat at the desk, yeah, it's more fitting with the room, but absolutely beautiful. Underneath just above the desk, below the mirror, you've got some more plugs, and there is USB and USB-C. Let me just unplug the camera and you'll be able to see this. So you get a choice of USB and USB-C. So a large TV on the unit. So let's take a look at the bathroom. You've got big double doors for going into the bathroom, and it will reveal. The large bath there. Oh, it's absolutely boiling in the bathroom. You've got your wash basin. There is shaver plugs there as well. Your WC just there. And if you don't want to have the bath, there is a massive walk-in shower, as you can see. Absolutely huge. Just be careful, there is a large step coming into it. But really nice fittings throughout this hotel. Absolutely gorgeous. So, hope you've liked this little room tour of the Hotel du Vin in Bristol.